bit of trouble in the back of the field, but the leaders get going. Oh, watch it going through the triangle. Watch the triangle. Justin gonna start us off here. Justin out to your lead. Watch it, trouble across start finish. He gets it corrected. That's gonna put Zach up in the number 1 spot there. Looks like Davis right behind him. Zach, your leader, coming into the water jump now. Lead battle going on in a step up right here. 1 and 2. Third place, Shirley right behind him. Looks like Davis is going to take over that top spot. Zach's going to drop down in the second bump. Let's see as they cross the line here. Lopez working his way up through the field. Oh, tries to make a move on Zach. Didn't quite make it there. Now he makes it. Lopez making it happen there. As Lopez has gone from the back of the field all the way up to second place now. Knocking on Davis's door. Remember, fellas, top 2 bump up in the next one. Oh, Davis rolls over. That's going to give the lead to Lopez. Zach's going to take back over second spot. He's not done with this fight. Just under 4 minutes to go. Lopez, Zach, and Davis. Oh, Zach with the rollover. Davis wasn't able to capitalize. Zach's going to hang on to that number 2 spot as Lopez is opening up his lead and trying to run away with it. In the back of the field, we got Steve, Justin, Rob, Zach, Rocky. Lopez coming through the triangle and down the step down. But the hot battle is for the 2 spot there between Zach and Davis. Here they come, the tight battle into the Daytona and down the front stretch here. Grab a fistful of break. Oh, Davis trying to make a move on Zach. Makes it happen for now, but in the crosstown, they get tangled up. Oh, Davis with a bad move. That's going to give Zach a little bit of breathing room for that number 2 spot there. Team Little Hands is out there in full force supporting this guy. Lopez crossed the line. He's still your leader with 2:20 left to go in this one. Zach hanging on to that 2 spot. Davis N3 not giving up hope, trying to catch back up to Zach. Tight battles for that number 2 spot right now as they're heading into the start straight. Lopez starting to find his way up to traffic. He ends up on his lid, but the marshal's all over him. See that great Truggy coming? That is your leader. He's trying to work his way through the back of the field. With 1:40 left to go in this one. Watch it heading into Daytona. Second place battles coming up on that white Truggy. Second place battles coming up on the white Truggy. That's the other one. Thank you. Zach and Davis battling it out this whole race for that second bump up spot. We're going to have to see who's going to hang on to it with 1:10 left to go. Looks like we're going to get about 2 more laps from these guys. Zach has it. Davis wants it as they're coming into the triangle. Lopez is man on a mission. He is out in the lead, 3 or 4 turns ahead. Orange Truggy, that's a second place battle. Thank you. Oh, Davis trying to make a move into 180s as they send it across town. Zach able to hang on to it, and then goes a little wide in the sweeper. Davis able to capitalize, get in that number 2 spot with 30 seconds left to go. Little Hands is going to have to pick it up. $15 seconds. Will they make it back to the line for another one? 10 seconds. 5. They're going to go one more time around for this battle in second. That is time. Race to the line, race to the line. Oh, Zach gets caught up in crosstown. That's going to give Davis second place and a lot of breathing room. Davis just going to have to hang on to it, get it back to the line. Race to the line, drivers, and you are done. Lopez is coming around to take the victory. Second place on that Truggy. Thank you. And here comes Davis around to take the second spot. Spins it out across start finish. And Zach gonna take the third spot. All right. Lopez and Davis, you will be bumping up.
The race is complete.
All right, race 2, start heading up.
All drivers are finished.
You'll be bumping up to race 3. meter 1/8 scale electric buggy D-mains on the stand.
Jack Mulligan.
All right, let me get some of those marshals out there.
Aaron Goodrow.
All right, fellas, start rolling them out to the grid. Roll them out to the grid.
Matt Geis. Tim Hippensdale. Fabian Jaramillo. Paul Corrick. Joe Johnston. Juan Jaramillo. Ryan Smithers.
So over Zach and Justin.
Hartman.
There's Justin. And Zach's making his way up. All right. Start lining them up on the grid.